Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use split screen mode on vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using vivo V50 Lite 5G now you want to use split screen in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings and enable the settings. So just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Select it, then select split screen. You must have to enable the settings here, and after that just go back and open any app which you want to use in your split screen mode. First let me tell you that system apps are not available in split screen, so just open third party apps, and here's you're using gesture first, so swipe up with the three fingers on your home screen. In this way you can easily use split screen mode, but there's any other way. You just have to open the first app as we have opened, and after that just scroll down at control center, and here you will get the split screen option. Just tap on it and your split screen will be enabled. You must have to open any other app which you want to use in your split screens. So that's how you can easily use split screen on your V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.